Hello, this is Keith Graham from Codasip. I'd like to talk to you about enumerations and switch statements. They go hand in hand in designing your processor. Now, what is enumeration? Enumeration is a level of abstraction. We're taking a number and abstracting it into a symbol. A symbol is easier for us humans to understand or to memorize. When I'm writing a piece of code and I need to specify something, it's easier for me to remember a label than just a raw number. Now let's take a look at this simple example. I have this enumeration and I have inputs 1, 2, and 3. Now that corresponds to a case statement, 1, 2, and 3. Now if you think of it, the way a switch statement works is I have a switch variable, which is actually just a number. And when that number matches one of the case statements, then I will execute what's ever within the case statement. So for example, if my select lines had the value of 2, I'd go down to whichever case statement where the symbol represents the number 2. So once again, enumerations help us abstract our design because it's easier for us to design remembering labels than just numbers. Now, our switch statements we talked about in another video where they correlate very closely to our physical structure of a multiplexer. So once again, the enumeration helps us abstract a layer not just to the switch statement, but to the actual physical representation of the multiplexer. Now, the enum has a lot more power by enabling us very easily to add a new element to our switch statement. For example, I can add right here input 0, and maybe for my design, giving it a value of 10 makes my design much faster or better in some other characteristic. Now, once I add that value 10, now all the other values of the enum automatically change. The value of an enum, unless it's specifically declared a value, always equals the enum above it plus 1. So my input 1 be 11, then I got 12, then I got 13. So enums make it very abstracting very easily. When I change something or add something into my enum, everything will automatically change with it. I don't have to go back and then change the rest of my design where input 11 was specified to the number 11. Once again, I'm working a level of abstraction. And that easily correlates into adding a new case statement and then a new input to my mux. So enums is a level of abstraction that helps us design switch statements, which then will help us design multiplexers in our processor design. Hopefully this video helps. If you like it, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be updated when new videos are published, and have a great day.